Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. We have the new dollar days starting tomorrow. Dollar days, June 4th through June 17th, lining up with the parking lot sale. Let me know what you're going to get. And hopefully there's some good ones. If you find these useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, hyping, checking out the merch store. But let's jump in. Starting with, this is sometimes a free deal, so just FYI. But it's the 144 lumen ultra bright portable LED work light, flashlight, $1. Flashlight, be careful how you say that. $1, normally $2, 49% off. Then we have the Pittsburgh socket rail, lifetime warranty. I don't recommend getting railed, but there's 3 different options: 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch. Do with that as you may. 49% off. 16-ounce hand soap, orange scent, $1, also 49% off. Gentle, residue free. No residuals. Next, HFT 8.5 foot by 3/4 inch double-sided mounting tape, $1. Normally $3, 66% off. I feel like I'm always high praising the double-sided tape because that you can work miracles with organization for the double-sided tape. Gets the job done. Mounted a flashlight. Mounted a camera. Reluctant buy at first, but with the low price, I thought I haven't lost much if it didn't work. Never without a roll of double-sided tape, and that's enough of a sale for me. HFT 4-ounce incredibly strong wood glue. I'm glad they've included that in the description, down to $1, normally $3, 66% off. And wood glue is wood glue, except this one is incredibly strong wood glue, which the marketing has worked on me. One picture, great for the price. Looks like they've glued some wood. Glued and clamped a crack acoustic guitar neck to bass, held fine. If it's good enough for a music instrument, that's good enough for me. Vanguard 3-way grounded adapter, $2, normally $3, 33% off. Hallmaster, one of the HARBRO favorites, the ball stretch cord set, 4-piece to have some fun with your friends, $2, normally $3, 33% off. I worry a little bit to see what pictures the HARBROs have included, and this makes sense. Use it for a canopy. When new, they are great. After a year, they lose their stretch. That sounds familiar. Works well, good price, very convenient. I use these to hang lights in the tent, hold up in direct sun. So even if they only last a year at about $2, that doesn't seem too bad. 18-inch ground anchor, $2, normally $4, 49% off. Pittsburgh's 4-in-1 aluminum rafter angle square at $2. Normally $3, 33% off. I have the Hallmaster 1-inch by 12-foot lashing straps. 2-pack also for a friend. Not Shakur, but Diddy did it. I think he would approve of these. $3, normally $5, 39% off. Wrap it compared to Wrap It Up. Pittsburgh feeler gauge, 32-piece, $3. There's too many here. Feeler gauge, 32-piece, $3. Normally $5, 39% off, and it is compared to Hotop. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty SAE and metric hex key set, 25-piece, $3. Normally $6, 49% off. We have the Hardy goat skin split leather gloves at $3. Normally $5, 39% off. The 6-outlet power strip, $4. Normally $5, 19% off. Merlin's 1/4 inch brass industrial coupler, your choice of female or male, down to $4, normally $4.69, only 14% off. Now, most of these deals are well over 30% off, so all excellent buys, but I will just mark out the few that are less than 20%. This one, not within our minimum, 14% off. Continuing, Pittsburgh 18-inch quick release bar clamp, $4, normally $6, 33% off. Avanti's 9-inch paint roller frame, best quality, $4. Normally $5, 19% off. Rangers heavy duty safety goggles, $5, normally $8.49, 41% off. An oil pan in the dollar days. Oil pan from Pittsburgh with spout, $5, normally $8, 37% off. And let's see how well this 8-quart capacity oil pan to prevent spillover, how the HARBROs love it. This one is on clearance, $9.97. Caught my eye. But for 8 quarts oil pan with spout, Got to change the oil in my Harley. I took a Dremel and modified the right side so that it would slip under the frame easily. 5 stars. Great drain pan. I have a couple of these and they are well made. I recently used mine tonight to change the oil in my Craftsman lawnmower. The newer lawnmowers do not have a drain plug. Great value for a well-designed sturdy oil pan. I've been using an old plastic oil pan for at least 20 years. Now that I've purchased this one, I wish I would have done it sooner. The plastic on this one is thick, with the pour spout works great. Oil change, great size for changing oil on my Metropolitan. Nice car. So great reviews. $5, 37% off. Pittsburgh panel clip pliers, $5. 49% off, normally $10 compared to Gear Wrench. For the Tarp Bros, 9-foot 4-inch by 11-foot 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4 mil tarp, $6, normally $8, 24% off. With the Pittsburgh hollow shaft nut driver set, 7-piece. HARBRO's come up with a joke for that one. Now, swing and hit it out of the park. SAE or metric, $6, normally $8, 24% off. And we have Hercules 1 3/8-inch narrow bimetal plunge blade for oscillating multi-tool, $7, normally $9, 22% off. And then we have the Kenway 4-way trailer wiring connection kit at 5 feet, $7, normally $9, 22% off. And those are our dollar days. They normally have some in here that are $8 or $9, but we've stopped at $7. What do the HARBROs think? Let's check out the Drive Nutsetter. I have seen this one on sale. 24% off is decent, but I wonder what the HARBROs or what Harbor Freight users actually think. Nice kit, nice assortment of metric and nut drivers. Have an issue with the 10mm driver. Does not fit my 10mm nut, but still 4 stars. Not really hollow shaft, and there's only a couple pictures. So 93%, 4.5 stars. I guess kind of what we expect. Nut drivers have hollow shafts to remove nuts on long studs. But those are our deals. $6 tarp, $5 oil pan, $4 clamp, and some just standard classic dollar day items. 18-inch ground anchor, keep equipment or pets tied securely. Broke when tightening. Good to know. Perfect in the yard. Doggone works. Look at that. That dog is secure. A sand anchor for small boats and jet skis. Proper anchor. Double-sided tape. And the $1 flashlight. Again, those are our dollar days. Let me know, HARBROs, what you think of them. Dollar days starting tomorrow. You can easily pick some up while you're finishing up your parking lot sale week. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know what you think. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.